Hello, my name is who knows, I'm not gonna say it. Okay, today we're gonna do, like, for example, we're gonna do the frog here because we're doing an experiment. We will see what will happen.
Do it to ourselves again.
Yeah, we will. But we're gonna do the frog first. We're gonna, like, put the frog
so we
here.
would be sure if it's dangerous or not.
Yeah. It's true. It is. We're gonna do it.
Here, go.
You do it first. Oh my gosh, that sound is stuck in my head.
I really don't care. Oh, it's not dangerous. It's not very dangerous. So just do it. Okay, your turn.
Ate, help me.
Yep. There she is, falling down again.
Me, I'm begging you. Ouch. You broke my eyeball.
I don't care. Okay, here. Okay, go to Froggy, aka Gecko.
Gecko. That happens.
So it's totally safe. So we're gonna do it on her now.
Hey, remember when I did it like I was doing this, then I flew out and flipped?
Yep, but don't do the thing when you're like him, like this did, because you're gonna flip there.
Yeah, it's true. I've tried it. I really did.
I did that to her one time.
It's true.
And I was scared because I was in trouble. So go
But it hurts. It really did.
on this side.
Yeah.
Okay, turn around. Don't tell me to stop.
Okay.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Ow!
Sorry!
She said not to say stop.
Whoa.
Okay.
She's dead. She's dead.
Oh my God gracious. Oh.
My turn.
What?
Do what I did.
Okay.
A ghost.
Don't
Okay.
say tigel.
Okay.
Don't say tigel. Okay, that's
Okay. Oh. Ah! My feet is falling. My foot is falling. My foot. I feel weak. I feel goofy.
Okay. If your foot is falling, that don't mean you're weak. You're weak, or you're going to be weak.
It's just because of the turning around and around. Okay, go. I'm ready now.
What?
My foot fell. Okay, go.
I already spun.
But that was a long time ago.
It was a minute ago.
No, it was 100 seconds ago. Right, guys?
Which is
Tell her to spin me again.
Which is
Spin.
Which is a minute and 20 seconds ago. No, actually 40 seconds ago.
Okay.
A minute and 40
okay, fine,
seconds
okay,
ago.
fine, okay, fine. Go. I'll spin you again.
Okay.
Or you want Froggy to do you?
I'm good. Let's see. Hey, what's up? Peace out. Okay.
She said peace out because she said she's going to die.
You're about to die.
We're really fast. I'm really fast.
It's not.
I'm really fast.
We're not spinning.
Yes, we are.
We are, but it's so slow.
Not really the good thing to do. Try getting your feet down. You're heavy. You're done with her. Get on type.